Hey guys, how you doing? This is Chris down here with Colton RV, Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to walk you through real quick this Montana High Country 351BH. It's a really popular bunkhouse floor plan. It's going to give you a lot of interior space on what you're looking for and some nice benefits outside as well. Let's go ahead and take a walk around. So starting here, you do have a full molded front cap and a windshield up there, so you got a little bit of extra light in your bedroom. You do have the Road Armor Kingpin here. That's going to take away a lot of that chucking as you're running down the road. Up in the front, you do have access to two compartments. Both of them are kind of your electrical area. You do have your battery shutoff and an inverter in there to run off your solar panel. Around the side, we do have electric auto level on this unit as well. So you don't have to worry about doing all that extra work when you get to the campsite. You do have two 30-pound propane tanks on each side, as well as a nice big pass-through compartment up here. Lots of storage for your tables, camp chairs, whatever else you bring camping. You do have a wet bay area as well here, so all of your connections are just in one centralized area. We do have a nice big water heater out here as well, so you can get hot water throughout the day. Your access to your heater, as well as your dump tanks, are all located in this area as well. You can see two big slides on this side, and you do have a second on the other, a third on the other, so you can get extra space inside the coach. And then as we come around back here, we do have some extra benefits as well. Underneath your bunk, you do have a massive second storage area, so if you're wondering if you're going to fit all your stuff in front there, you don't have to worry about that at all. You do have prep for a backup camera as well up top, nice ladder to access your roof, and we do have a 200-watt solar panel already installed in this as well. That system's set up for you to expand upon if you like to go off-grid a lot. LED taillights with reverse signal, what a lot of RVs don't have, so this is going to give you the extra benefit of safety while you're traveling. And then a nice outdoor kitchen back here on your campsite as well. You've got the 2-burner cooktop, little fridge, lots of countertop space, and even a little monogrammed cutting board. It says Montana on it as well. You can see above me here, we've got a nice awning on the slide, so you're not losing any of that awning space on your campsite, as well as a second one in front here to cover your door in this front area. So lots of area covered by awning, so if it's raining, it's a little sunny outside like it is today, you have that extra protection. This is your front compartment here, that storage that we were talking about earlier. So you can kind of see it from the other side. And there is a spot to hook up a TV in here as well. Now that we checked out the outside, let's go ahead and run inside, take a look at that. Now we're inside the Montana High Country 351BH. I just want to run through what all we got going on in here. So you can see we've got a nice coffee bar beverage area for you, and a nice deep pantry here where you can put all of your food collectible items that you need. You do have a GE residential fridge and freezer. It does have an ice maker and a water dispenser inside, so you can get all of your goodies from there. You've got a nice residential size GE microwave, so if anything does happen to this in the future, you can easily replace it. It makes that cost so much better for you. And then you've got the oven with a lot of countertop space, 2 outlets, so you have lots of room in here as well. In terms of prepping, washing dishes, all of that, you have a nice big island here with a 70-30 split sink. There are covers that go over this as well. And you've got this little attachment here on the end so you can get a little bit of extra workspace if you need it. As we kind of just loop around here, you see nice big TV, fireplace. That fireplace will give you heat as well as light, so you can make it look like a good ambiance in here or heat your RV. You've got lots of seating options. That's what's really nice about this bunkhouse option. A lot of bunkhouses, you don't have 2 options for seating, so the whole family can curl up and watch a movie. And then you've got a nice expandable table over here, so when the kids are with you, you can give a little bit of extra room here. Seats for everybody that'll strap in place while you're traveling. If we head on back to the bunk room here, we've got 2 east to west facing bunks. Pretty comfy area, gives the kids a separate space to relax, sleep. There is a spot for a TV in there as well, so kids can relax on the top bunk while the adults watch something outside. You have a nice little ladder to climb up there as well. And then we'll head back this way here. As we go up the steps, you can see our central vac system. And then we also have a little spot to hang keys and jackets right inside the door. We'll head into the bathroom here. Lots of storage space in this bathroom. We've got cabinets all along this wall here. Nice corner radius shower with a fiberglass surround and the glass doors, so you can see through that. Makes it real open. Nice sink over here. And then there is a porcelain toilet in back behind the door there. Foot flush, that'll be super comfy, nice and high to sit on as well, and some storage right above that. And then access in through here to the master bedroom. You do have a camper king size bed. Lots of space to curl up. If you got pets with you as well, it fit in here nicely. You've got 2 nightstands right above the bed, so you're not going to knock your head on anything hanging up there. And a window in that slide as well to give you some light. Along the front here, we do have a nice big window that is car glass rated, auto glass. So that'll be able to give you the ability to not worry about chips or anything like that. And then there is a nightshade to close that off at night if you do need that extra dark to sleep like I do. You have a closet on either side, some nice drawers in the middle, and then you also have a nice dresser set here at the foot of the bed, so you've got lots of room to store all your clothes while you're traveling. Thanks for checking out this Montana 351BH here. Just some extra specs on this. You're looking at about 39 feet in total length and just over 13,000 pounds in dry weight. Look forward to seeing you down here at our Wind Gap dealership. If you have any questions, give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out. See you soon.